As the picture is getting clearer, Preeti Zinta और नेस वाडिया का केस ले रहा है नया मोड़. As an add-on update to the controversy, Preeti recently posted a long message regarding the same on a social networking site. Preeti ने अपने स्टेटमेंट के थ्रू उन सारे सवालों के जवाब स्पेसिफिकली दिए हैं जो इस पूरे कंट्रोवर्सी में उन पर अक्सर दागे जा रहे हैं. We bring to you प्रीति के इस नोट के कुछ ऐसे हाइलाइटेड पॉइंट्स जिसे आप जानना जरूर चाहेंगे. For the record, this relationship was ended by me in 2009 and I don't ever recall having gone to the police on any personal matter irrespective of what happened then. But now it's been 6 years since the breakup, so this is not a personal matter. IPL was my project from the start, and for the record, not only did I pay for myself when I got into the IPL, I paid for Ness too, 5 crores. To be fair to him, he did pay me back a couple of months later, so hope the money theory is put to end once and for all. I have been in this film industry since 1998 and have been part of the biggest blockbusters in the past. From Best Actress Awards to a Bravery Award, I have won them all, so please give me a break. I don't need publicity, especially cheap publicity. All through the IPL, I have given almost all my seats to the players' families, so taking over seats at all games is a completely wrong accusation, and disrespecting anyone's mother is out of the question, as I might forget my name but never my manners. Because after several warnings over the years, I was left with no other option. The whole point of this is that violent, physical or aggressive behavior should not be tolerated by rich or poor, man or woman, celebrity or not. I had to go to the US as I had worked there, which I could not ignore due to prior commitment. In the end of the day, I am a professional and cannot let my work suffer. Other than this, प्रीति ने उनके कैरेक्टर पर उठाए गए सवालों पर भी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर्स दिए हैं. आपका क्या कहना है प्रीति के इस लॉन्ग नोट के बारे में? Is this enough to satisfy the doubts which you were having in your mind regarding the case? अपने कमेंट्स जरूर पोस्ट करें. प्रीति और नेस के केस से जुड़े और भी खबरों के लिए कीप वॉचिंग बॉलीवुड नाउ.